Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Foreign Secretary jongga India Vikram Visri ulapun benaba Director General Military Operation jongga Pakistan ula phone yau Director General of Military Operation jongga India hakapor laibeji live san minute mentag janmen banya Kren nagabentaban Sangeh no ya kajingya kan at ula pentip babaro arngut kila menjur bakan nom don shu kajingya Siat lahareng kau hasuny ne haduriau nado kapor san baji mentag janmen baro arngut gila bata ya gibriu lajong bagi daiban board bed ya gane garai. Kajing ya Kren hapadang gini gi arngut gi Director General of Military Operation kan long biang haka khat Tarik ujemmang.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a very brief statement to make. Following that, as you know, there will be a briefing by my colleagues from the military. The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours. Thank you.